I retired 6 or 7 years back, and to keep myself healthy, I do a lot of physical activity. I start my day with, morning and gymnasium exercise, all those things. Come back and then have my breakfast ready and then make my breakfast for my wife also because she goes to work. I really enjoy cooking. That's one of my activities I'm really interested in. Initially, it was a failure, I know. My wife used to say it was not at all tasty. So I developed this habit of continuously cooking, learning and doing things. And I try my best to make it the way she wants. Even though I am retired and then I don't feel like having anything to do work-wise, I always feel I can do more to help in my healthy aging, by undertaking these activities and all. I'm just proud of that. I think that's really an achievement for me,